Let's be real. The rest of the world is currently obsessing over these 3-ton electric fortress SUVs that look like rolling bunkers. But while everyone else is chasing bulk, a silent revolution is happening in the heart of the British countryside. The future of luxury isn't found in how high you sit or how much metal you're carrying. It's found in the resurrection of the soul. Today, we are analyzing a technological benchmark that bridges the gap between 1965 and 2026. This is the 2026 Austin-Healey 3000. This isn't just a car, it's a reimagined icon that's out here redefining what a driver's flagship should be in an age of boring autonomy. Before we see how this reborn legend handles the digital age, I want to see the reach. Drop your city and country in the comments. Whether you're in London, Sydney, or San Francisco, let's see how far the love for the big Healey truly reaches in 2026. Just look at these sculpted proportions. The 2026 Austin-Healey 3000 doesn't just sit on the road, it possesses it. It keeps that legendary long hood, short deck profile that made the original a global superstar. But the execution? It's pure 21st century drip. The road presence is anchored by an intuitive design language that feels like liquid metal. Notice the signature oval grille. It's not just an intake anymore. It's a seamless panel hiding the car's long-range LiDAR sensors. And the headlights? Absolute flex. They look like the classic round housings, but they conceal Ultra HD matrix LED projectors that can literally draw your GPS directions directly onto the pavement in front of you. They even reimagined the aero without using those ugly, try-hard wings. The body uses an under-tray venturi system to suck the car to the asphalt at high speeds. It's an ecosystem of beauty and physics working in total harmony. But as striking as the design is, the real evolution begins the moment you step inside. Welcome to the digital sanctuary. In an era where interiors are cluttered with 50-inch screens and annoying buttons, the Healey offers a private lounge for the purist. This is bespoke craftsmanship meeting hyper-tech. The intelligence of the interface is the real W. There is no traditional screen. Instead, the entire wood veneer dashboard is a haptic touch surface that wakes up only when you touch it. This ecosystem actually learns you. It knows your favorite back roads, your preferred coffee temp, and it even monitors your heart rate to adjust the seat's active bolsters when you start taking corners a little faster. We're talking sustainable luxury at its peak, lab-grown leather and ocean-bound recycled aluminum that feels more premium than the 60s originals ever could. It's a concierge that stays out of your way until you actually need it. Beneath that heritage skin lies a nervous system of predictive intelligence. The 2026 Healey is draped in an ecosystem of sensors that provide a 360-degree digital shield. This tech totally deletes the stress of city driving. Through its cloud-connected LiDAR, the car literally sees around corners. It knows a delivery truck is about to pull out 3 blocks ahead before you even reach the intersection. It doesn't just have parking sensors, it has an AI valet that can drop you at the club and go find its own charging bay with millimetric precision. The hands-free system is designed for the grand tour. On the highway, it handles the boring stuff so you can chill. But the second the GPS detects a sequence of S-curves on a B road, the car intuitively offers the wheel back to you, having already pre-conditioned the battery and suspension for peak performance. It's a partnership, not just a machine. The dynamic evolution of the 3000 is where the heritage truly meets the future. While the original was famous for that big, straight 6, the 2026 model gives you 2 ways to play. First, there's a hyper-hybrid for the purists who still want that internal combustion growl. But the real flagship is the Voltaic EV. Using a quad-motor setup, it delivers effortless power, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. That is wild for a car this size. And it gets 400 miles on a 15-minute charge. But the ride quality is the secret sauce. This is telepathic suspension. It scans the road 1,000 times a second and adjusts the damping for a pothole before your tire even touches it.
It's the perfect balance between that classic analog feel and future tech composure. It feels alive, connected, and low-key toxic. The 2026 Austin-Healey 3000 is more than just a comeback. It's a statement. It proves that the future of mobility doesn't have to be a choice between technology and soul. By building an ecosystem that honors the past while dominating the future, Healey just set a new high watermark. But it raises a question. Does this tech-forward, high-prestige approach make modern supercars look like overcomplicated relics? Or is this too much too soon for a nameplate rooted in the 60s? I want to hear your takes in the comments. Is this the ultimate digital sanctuary, or do you still crave that old-school smell of oil and petrol? Let's get the debate started. And if you want to see how this stacks up against the new electric Jaguar E-Type, click the video right here. I'm VIREX Auto, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.